So I ended up with a $25 Amazon gift card and figured I could waste some money on this 20-watt solar panel. It's about the size of a laptop. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but that's the name of the company. It's a little 20-watter, 13.6 volts and like 1.5 amps. And I've got this Firepoint rechargeable flashlight. Picked up at Big Five a couple years ago. It's not completely dead, but it's nearly dead. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in this unit, which has got a USB-C and USB-C point, and I want to say that's a USB-X or some other type of USB connector on there. So let's go ahead and charge that, plug that in, orientate this panel a little bit better for the sun. And typically that little light right there is red when it's charging, and I see nothing there. So either it doesn't like the voltage or it doesn't have enough current coming out of this unit. I mean, this light's definitely on, indicating that it's putting some power out. So I will see if I change the orientation and if it changes to red. Can't tell. It's got too much. More directional. Trying to change the panel more 45 degrees to the sun. See if that enhances the power any. Should a little bit. If I get a red light on the charging port, I don't. So it's hard to tell whether it's charging or not. That was nearly dead. This flashlight was nearly dead. Kids play with it all the time and just leave it on most of the time. So I'll come back and check in about an hour, see what's going on. Should put a meter on there of some sort. Tell me what this panel's putting out. Maybe I'll do that. Well, here we are. It's been 2 hours. And there is a hint of a green light in there. It's hard to see with this camera, but there is. It is lit up. So I'm going to have to say that this 20-watt foldable solar charger, dual output unit is thus far a win. Like I said, I had a $25 gift card from Amazon, and then I think it was another $5 plus tax. So if you need a little charger for that last phone call, emergency phone call, or charge your flashlight for the night, I'm going to say this is a go-to item. It's nice, thin, pretty light. Feels like it's pretty robust. I mean, it's like this flexible plastic. So yeah, so far so good. I recommend it.